oh, what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? Oh, jeez, what a good jump. Look at me, here I am. Careful, careful. Come here. Hi, JC.
No.
No? You don't want Nana to get you?
No.
Come here, come here.
Oh, what is that?
Okay, that's the swing. Are you going to be on the swing? Well, get up there. You think you can? We don't have the cushions on it yet. Okay. There you go.
You push me.
Sure. You're hanging on, right?
I can't get there.
Don't you get me. What do you mean you're going to get me? You can't do it big because this is a yard swing. It's not like the one at the playground. But you're doing fine. Is that fun? Or we want down? Okay.